Aprilia RS4 125, 2011 to 2016, review. Good bikes should hold value well. The Aprilia RS4 125 wasn't the cheapest 125 cubic centimeters sports bike on the market, but it was one of the very best. Despite making only 15 brake horsepower, it's great fun to ride. The fact the new 4-stroke engine thrives on revs keeps the old RS spirit alive. It handles well, stops well, and most importantly looks the part. What more could a 17-year-old want? This bike replaced the fabled Aprilia RS 125 in 2011, and was replaced itself by the same bike in 2017. There is a busy online community for the RS4 125. Once you've read our review and owners' reviews, you might consider heading to the Aprilia Owners Club on Facebook. Ride quality and brakes. Due to the lightweight, the RS4 handles brilliantly. Flicking it from right to left is a doddle, and should you need to change your line during a corner, a slight push on either bar will suffice. The launch bikes were shod with super sticky Pirelli SC1S, which really showed off the full handling potential of the RS4. It's surprisingly roomy and, compared to the old RS 125, feels slightly less sporty, which is a big plus. Engine. Pulling away requires a good twist of the wrist to get the new 4-valve, 4-stroke engine spinning and keep up the momentum. Compared to some 125s, the RS4 needs to be revved and ideally kept above 8,000 RPM. Even some, the Aprilia accelerates briskly up to 40 miles per hour before starting to level off. Reliability and build quality. The 4-stroke 125 cubic centimeters engine should be much more reliable than the highly strung 2-stroke engine of the old RS, which was often neglected by teenagers. The bikes never missed a beat, being held at full throttle virtually all day in 30 degrees Celsius plus heat. Our Aprilia RS4 125 owners' reviews don't speak of very much to worry a potential second-hand buyer. There aren't any common issues reported. People seem to like their bikes a lot. Value versus rivals. £3,999 on the road sounds like a lot for a 15 brake horsepower bike, but when you consider the Yamaha YZF-R 125, arguably its closest rival, costs £4,249, it doesn't seem so bad. Yes, there are cheaper 125s out there, but none of them are as cool as the Aprilia. As a used purchase, the Aprilia makes even more sense, given its reliability record. Equipment. Radial brakes, braced swing arm, max speed function and braided hoses are all standard on the RS4 125. One of the accessories which will be available is a quick shifter. It only really works well if changing upright before the rev limiter at 11,000 RPM, changing anywhere else results in a very clunky and crude sounding gear change. But a quick shifter will give you major bragging rights over your mates.